Hello. So in this video, we're going to take a look at OneDrive in Teams. So on the screen, I've gone into Teams as a main app, and down the left-hand side, I've gone into my OneDrive app. If you don't see OneDrive there, then add it to your apps from the bottom left here. What is really useful is that when you go in, that it shows you all your recent documents. So trying to find a document is really easy when you go to OneDrive from here, and you can filter it out by different types of applications. I can do PowerPoint, PDF, Word, Excel, or even the name of a person. And that's my main OneDrive. When I go into my files, this will show me all my folders that I use. And in here, I've got different files and folders for different reasons. So in here, I do have a video folder in here that I was working on. With every folder and every document, then you get the ability to share it. And they have added this function now, which you could always do, but they've made it easier, where you say request files. And it will ask them a little bit like we transfer to actually send their files to you. So files for OneDrive video, and next, who am I sending it to? And I'm going to put myself in there. Anyone with that link can upload files. So I can also do that. Now, we could have done that before in exactly the same way, but you'll be notified when they've uploaded. So the functionality has been tweaked to make sure that you receive that and you can see that request. It opens up access to that folder and then you can upload from there. So that's a really good new function. We could do everything else in there, like make things favorites, and we can share from there as well. So going back to OneDrive, there is another area called shared. Now, this area called shared again separates it out by different file types. So I'm going to say, when you go into shared, this will show you all the different documents that have been shared either with you or by you. And this is very useful. When you go in to the OneDrive shared, what this will do is it will show you files that have been shared by someone else with you or by you to someone else. So it's very useful in that you can very quickly see what you shared, because a lot of the time what you do is you share a file that sends off in an email to your colleague, and you may never find that email again if you've got lots of emails. So being able to come in here will definitely help you find specific documents, or even find a file that you have shared with someone specific or they have shared with you. And of course, your favourites will show you everything that you have marked as a favourite. So next time you go into Teams, why not try and have a look around at the web-based interface?